give Rampage one warm-up jump. So Team Blue Dog, on the count of 3, let's see if we can't get Rampage into the pool. Let's go 1, 2, 3. Come on, Rampage! Nice. Just like that, we get the Diving Dog Challenge started now. All right. Now, coaxing Rampage into the pool was not the task. Coaxing Rampage out of the pool, that is the challenge. Team Blue Dog, give it up for your representative, Rampage. Now, Team Red Dog, for you, we have this beautiful Lab Shepherd mix. I found him at a local rescue in the state of New York, where he was turned into that rescue not once, not twice, not 3, 4. He was turned in to the same rescue 5 times. Slightly more energy than your average family pet. Team Red Dog, say hi to the one we call Shappy. Come on, Shappy. Alright, let's give Shappy one warm-up jump, shall we? On the count of 3, Team Red Dog. Let's go 1, 2, 3, go!